2002 5 Series. The main problem that we're dealing with right now is a crank no start. It wants to start, but it just doesn't fire. It cranks no problem. Got plenty of power for cranking, just it won't fire up. What we're looking at here is a fuse box that is underneath the carpet on the passenger side. I'll take the seat out, get to it, and these fuses here, just from looking at them, can't really tell if they're bad or not, right? So this is what you're going to want to do, is you want to make sure you actually test them, because right now, just from looking at them, they look like they're good, but they're actually bad. One of them's actually bad. Not the greatest meter in the world, but it'll do for what we need. I'm gonna get this so you guys can see it. Right here, I'll just hold it. And let's see. I'm gonna put one test lead here. These are test lead on ground. Should be there. See right there, around the ground. It's your red. We're on volt DC volts right now. Let's see. 1174, 1174, 1174, 3. Obviously, I know the battery needs to be charged. Check it all the way across. Really good. So here we go. Take a look at this. Okay, we got 0. 0 right there. 73. So let's go here. So here, we have nothing. This guy right here, burn fuse. Once again, power on both sides there. The key is in the off position. We got no power there. So here's our burn 50 amp fuse. So this should be a correct error issue for a crank no start. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any more questions, please leave comments on the video. Thanks. Bye.